Breastfeeding, a beautiful dance between mother and child, nourishes your little one with warmth and sustenance. Sometimes, direct breastfeeding isn't possible, and those precious drops of liquid gold, your breast milk, need a safe haven. Proper storage is key, preserving the vital nutrients and immune factors your baby needs to thrive. Let's explore how to keep your breast milk safe and nourishing. Freshly expressed breast milk is a living substance, teeming with antibodies and essential nutrients that are vital for your baby's growth and immune system. At room temperature, up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius, it can remain safe for up to 4 hours. This is convenient for immediate feeding or short-term storage. For longer storage, refrigeration is essential. Keeping breast milk in the fridge helps preserve its quality and nutritional value. In the refrigerator, at 40 degrees Fahrenheit or 4 degrees Celsius, breast milk can be stored safely for up to 4 days. Always label the bottles with the date to ensure freshness. Freezing offers the longest storage option, making it ideal for building a backup supply. In a standard home freezer, breast milk can be stored for 6 to 12 months. Ensure the temperature is consistently at 0 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 18 degrees Celsius. Remember, these are general guidelines. Consult your healthcare provider for specific recommendations tailored to your baby's needs. They can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation. Not all containers are created equal when it comes to storing breast milk. Glass or BPA-free plastic containers are ideal, as they are less likely to leach chemicals into your milk. Ensure the containers are airtight to prevent contamination. For freezing, consider using breast milk storage bags specifically designed for this purpose. When choosing containers, consider the amount of milk you typically pump and whether you'll be freezing it. Smaller containers are perfect for single servings, while larger ones are convenient for storing larger quantities. Section 4. From liquid to solid and back freezing and thawing breast milk. This process ensures that your baby has a steady supply of nutritious milk, even when you're not around. Freezing breast milk is a simple process, but it's important to do it correctly. Proper storage helps maintain the milk's quality and nutritional value. Leave some space at the top of the container or bag, as breast milk expands when frozen. This prevents the bag from bursting and ensures that the milk remains safe for your baby. Label each container with the date of expression to ensure you're using the oldest milk first. This practice helps in managing your milk supply efficiently and reduces waste. When it's time to thaw, move the frozen milk to the refrigerator and allow it to thaw slowly. This gradual process helps preserve the milk's nutrients and texture. Never microwave breast milk, as this can destroy its nutrients and create hot spots that could burn your baby. Instead, use warm water to gently heat the milk if needed. Once thawed, breast milk can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Always check the milk's smell and consistency before feeding to ensure it's still good. Section 5. Combining the bounty safely mixing breast milk. Sometimes you may need to combine breast milk from different pumping sessions. It's perfectly safe to combine milk expressed at different times, as long as it's stored at the same temperature. For example, you can combine milk that has been refrigerated with other refrigerated milk. Avoid mixing freshly expressed milk with previously frozen and thawed milk. This can affect the taste and texture of the milk. Section 6. Traveling with your milk supply. Tips for near and far. Traveling with breast milk doesn't have to be daunting. For short trips, a cooler bag with ice packs will keep your milk cold and safe. For longer journeys, especially air travel, consider investing in a portable breast milk cooler. Familiarize yourself with airline regulations regarding breast milk, as they can vary. Pack your milk in small, clearly labeled containers for easy screening at security checkpoints. Remember, your right to travel with breast milk is protected by law. Section 7. Ensuring quality. Additional tips for safe breast milk handling. Maintaining the quality and safety of your breast milk is paramount. This ensures that your baby receives the best possible nutrition and protection. Wash your hands thoroughly before expressing or handling breast milk. Clean hands help prevent the introduction of harmful bacteria. Sterilize all bottles, containers, and pump parts regularly. This step is crucial to eliminate any potential contaminants. Always smell and visually inspect your breast milk before feeding it to your baby. Trust your instincts. If it looks or smells off, it probably is. If something doesn't seem right, it's always best to err on the side of caution and discard the milk. Your baby's health is the top priority. By following these guidelines, you can provide your baby with the nourishment they need, even when you're apart. Proper handling ensures that your milk remains safe and nutritious.